Guys, in this video I am talk about how to earn money, uh, earn money online, sitting at home. Grow your business with Google Ads by seen by customer at a very moment they are searching on Google for the thing your offers. Plus get you spend matched up to $45 in ad credit when you advertise on Google Ads. Google Ads show up your when people search for what you offer. Google is where people search for what to do, when to go, and what to buy. Your ads can appear on Google at the very moment someone is looking for product or service like yours, whether they on desktop or mobile. A well-timed ads can turn people into valuable customers. Get the result that matter to you. Get more phone calls. Increase customer calls with ads that feature your phone numbers and your click to call button. To increase store visits. Get more customers in the doors and business ad that help people find your company on the map. Set a budget that work for your business. Google Ad can work for almost any advertisement budget. Set a monthly budget cap and never go over it. Plus you can pause and adjust you spend any time. Partner with Google to find the right customer. With Google Ad you can research more relevant customer within your budget. And term and condition for this offer available to new customer with a billing address in Pakistan only, and one promotional code for per advertisers to activate these offers in your account before December 31 2021. If you meet a requirement for the offer by activating in the activate account the offer, the proportional code in your account within 10 days of reactivation. To earn the credit, start advertising. The advertising cost you accrue in the account in the 30 following your entry of the promotional code, including your taxes, will be matched with an advertising credit in the same amount up to maximum value of $45. Once 2 and 3 are completed, the credit will typically be applied within 5 days of the billing summary of your account. Credit applied to feature advertising cost only. Credit cannot be applied to cost occurred before the code was entered. Credit applied to feature advertising cost only. Credit cannot be applied to cost occurred before the code are entered. You won't receive a notification once your credit is used up, and any conditional advertising cost will be charged to your form of a payment. If you do not want to continue advertising, you can pause or delete your campaign at any time. Your account must be successfully built by Google Ads and remain in good standing in order to quality for the promotional credit. Enter now and win $10,000 wins cash. Start an online business. Start an 14 days free trial. Make better use of your money. Earn up to $45 ad credit. Google Ads Pakistan. Make better use of your money when you advertise to relevant audience searching for you. Make better use of your money when you find right keyword to target relevant. Home business ideas that let your work from. There are number of businesses you can start to earn money from home. Some popular ones are starting online stores, selling homemade goods, selling online courses, freelancing, writing, etc. Proven ways to make money with digital marketing. Whether it is starting your own online business in selling freelancing services or getting sled job, when you are plenty of way to make money using digital marketing. In this guide I will provide the how to earn money online, how to make money online. How to make quick money online. If you need some extra cash and you do not like some pocket change, the internet is a great place to turn to. While making money plan probably won't make you rich, you can definitely earn a few book here and there are on various websites and apps. You have compiled some of the best way you can make quick money from your computer, tablet or phone. Some research companies will pay for your feedback. They will give you survey that asks about your experience as a consumer or common product that you use. You can make up to $50 for only a few hours of your time on average. Try researches my survey iPool or Tuluna to start. Sign up for multiple survey sites to maximize your survey opportunities. Some sites will only send out 1 to 2 survey on month. Watches out of scam survey. It is site ever asks you to put in your credit card information of purchase a prepaid visa and do not proceed. Get paid to surf the web. Some site pay you of using this research engine. You accumulate a point for by clicking on ads, playing games, taking survey, and simple browsing. Some of these sites pay you on gift card instead of money. So if that not what you looking for, this might not be the best option for you. To swag bag, gift Hulk and Kumi. Sell your profession on an online marketplace. Site like this avoid the hassle of holding a grass sale. Check around your home for things like old bicycle at work, fortune housewares. Then put them up for sale of member of your community. You can either have someone pick the good up for your horse, drop it off and their houses, or meet up and exchange it in a public place. Make and sell homemade items. Sign up for a site like Este, the secure way to get paid of your arts and craft. You can sell things like wall hanging and nightwear, plushies and cards. Once you have the item you did like to sell, take photos, upload your listing to the website, then people can buy the item for the straight for you from your profile. Stay the take up small percentage of your profit you make on their sites. Anyone from around the world can buy your product on Etsy. So make sure for you have packing and shipping material on hand. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye guys.